Hello and welcome to a blind bag opening of LEGO CMF's The Simpsons Series 2. They were released in 2015. I'm going to take a look at what we've got inside. The book. I picked them up today. So first up we have Marge for a date night. She's got a little purse and some flowers. I'll put the flowers on after. There's Marge over there. They were released in 2015. Next up we have, if we can get inside the packet. Oh, guess what? Next up we've got Bartman with his catapult. There are 16 to collect. I only have 14. I'm not sure if there's any duplicates, but that's the whole point of blind bags, I suppose. Just don't know what you're going to get. So next we have they seem to like having their capes. And this one is Fall Out Boy Millhouse with his Buzz Cola. Next up, oh no, it's a duplicate, so we'll leave them to the side, build them after. We have Dr. Hibbert, and he's got his X-ray of, oh, look at that. Homer's X-ray, skull. Did you manage to pick up these minifigures when they were first released? It's been a while now, nearly 8 years. And this is Waylon Smithers. Coming in next. So we've got Lisa, and she's got her cat, Snowball. All within full. Oh, and this is Homer. All dressed up in his shirt and tie. And he's got a, looks like a box of chocolates. Probably to give to Marge. Looks really tidy, that does. Got a little bit of air on his head. Trying to make sure I push him down a little bit so that I don't cut anything I don't want to cut. So far we have one duplicate. Don't really want any more. And this is called the Mad Scientist. Could be called the Goofy Scientist. Look at him there. Nope, he is Professor Frink. Look at that, he ain't even got eyes. Cracking. Rip it open. This one is Marge's sister, Salma. Cool. You're probably there, sat there thinking, oh, come on. I'm thinking, I don't want another duplicate. And guess what? I have. So there's his head. I'll build him after, because you want me to get through it. And I just want to see what else I've got as well. Next up is another duplicate. Good. This one is groundskeeper Willie with his plunger, going around cleaning all those toilets after Homer's been in there. Cracking a look at minifig. Oh, his plunger flew off. Put that one out. Only 2 left. Don't forget to like and let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. Got another sister, and this one is Marge's other sister with the blue bag, Patty. She looks a bit like a meanie, grumpy sister. One more left to open. Drum roll, please. Who are we open for? I haven't got a clue. So this one is Maggie. Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. With Santa's little helper, a little dog. There we go. It's a cool mould on that dog. So I'll build the other 2 up, which were duplicates, and we'll have a look at them all together. So here they all are lined up. I've just realised I haven't got no duplicates. Look, he's left-handed and he's right-handed. That's pretty cool. And the same with these 2 over here. One's left-handed and one's right-handed. There you go, no duplicates. Let's take a look at what I didn't get. So I missed out on Comic Book Guy and Martin Prince, Hans Mole Man, and Edna Crab Apple. There we go. Those are the ones I missed out on. Quite a few there. Some cracking minifigs. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.